Good morning, students. Let us start our lesson number 11 and the third unit we are going to start, that is about science and technology. So, we are going to start lesson number 11, Know Your Body. As we have just completed lesson 9 in science, that was all about body, so it will be easy for you to understand this lesson. Human body works like a complicated machine. It contains a wide range of parts, organs and processes. Many functions or processes in human body keeps on working without a pause throughout the life. So it is clear that human body, it is made up of different organs and different organ systems which work continuously without having a pause, without having a break, so that our body can function properly. Without throughout our life, different body systems they keep on working. The circulatory system, it moves blood, nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide around the body. The digestive system, it consists of a series of connected organs that allow the body to break down the absorbed food and remove the waste. The respiratory system allows us to take in oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. The nervous system controls the voluntary and involuntary actions of our body. So these are the different systems which work throughout our life so that we can be healthy. The circulatory system, it moves the blood and nutrients, oxygen and carbon dioxide. So the blood, nutrients and different gases, they are circulated throughout the body with the help of our circulatory system. Then comes the digestive system, which consists of connected organs. Different organs are there which allow respiration process, that is breakdown of food, and then that food is digested with the help of different organs. We know that the digestive system, it consists of different organs which work together and help in the breakdown of that food what we eat, and then also it helps in removal of the waste from the body. The respiratory system, we know we inhale oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide, and the different respiratory organs they help us in that process. So nervous system, that controls the various voluntary and involuntary actions of our body. Based on this, we are given an exercise which is not very difficult, that we can do it very easily. You have read the lesson in science also, so it will be easy for you to complete the exercise. Let us focus on the exercise. Question number 1. Dash is the colored part of human eye that controls the amount of light passing through pupil. We all know that the answer is iris. The two chambers at the bottom of our heart are called. So we know that the heart, it is made up of 4 chambers. So he is asking the bottom chambers. They are the ventricles. Upper one are the auricles and bottom they are the ventricles. Dash is considered as the biggest external organ of human body, that is the skin. Dash are special tiny structures on the tongue that help us in identifying and feeling various tastes, and we call them the taste buds. The cage of bones around the chest that protect the important organs is called, we have just discussed this topic, rib cage. Dash are special. Dash is the innermost part of our bones. So innermost part of our bone is the bone marrow. Dash are the front teeth which help in cutting the food. incisors. We call them incisors. Next, eighth question. The hardest bone in the human body is, we have to tell which is the hardest bone, and that is jaw bone, that is present in our jaw. There are dash bones in the body of an adult. It is very well known that an adult body has 206 bones. Though when a baby is born, the baby has more than 300 bones, but as the baby grows, some of the bones they fuse together, and they different bones, when they fuse together, they form a single bone, and that is why an adult person has 206 bones which are left finally. So these are some questions which we are to understand, and then we have to answer them. They are quite easy. A little understanding will give you the correct answers. Let us complete the lesson.